also tell you how, after the deadly Pahalgam terror attack, the NIA has launched a full-scale probe. A high-intensity manhunt is underway in the valley for the masterminds behind the strike. On your screens right now, dramatic visuals of the NIA teams in all-terrain vehicles scanning the attack site inch by inch as the investigation gathers pace into the Pahalgam terror attack. Look at those visuals of the NIA teams in all-terrain vehicles.
NIA's investigation is going at a high speed. They have been combing operations which is happening at several other locations. We are at this Pahalgam area where you can see the National Investigation Team along with the CAPF is moving to the spot. They are trying to recreate the crime scene. It is also very important that the crime scene need to be recreated. There you can see the National Investigating Team officials are here on the ground. They are moving to the location. Very important development, knowing the fact that the terrorists could once again be hiding in the hilly area. The NIA team is here and they are moving with these ATVs. This is an all-terrain vehicle which is being used by the officials to go to the location along with the CAPF and the metal detector, and every equipment is being used by the officials. Very important visuals coming out from Pahalgam, where you can see the officials are moving to the location along with the CAPF. This mountain terrain is very important. ATVs are being used by the officials along with the forensic team of experts who are moving to the spot. They are trying to locate that how the terrorists came and what has been happening on the ground. This is very important, looking at the terrain, looking at the development which is happening here. This is a mountain terrain where the massive combing operation has been launched. Just behind this particular mountain, behind these white peaks is the Tral area, which is said to be very much important for the terrorists to hide on these locations. Taking the advantage of this particular terrain, high peak mountains and high peak altitude forest area, the terrorists have been hiding. That's why the investigation is going on. Every bit of measure is being taken by the officials to go, camp, look, hunt those terrorists who were behind this particular ghastly attack in Pahalgam. With video journalist Yogesh, Priyank Tripathi reporting from Pahalgam for the Times Network.
So Priyank Tripathi there, of course, getting us ground reports from Jammu and Kashmir. Simultaneously, we're also getting you all the details of the hectic parlays going on in the national capital. Right now, viewers, it's time for a short break. News and updates will continue on Times Now. Stay tuned.